So if you wanted your colleague to create a video for you and send a request out to them, typically what you'd have to do is probably come into the web dashboard, navigate to scripts, create a script for them from scratch, and then send them a separate email with perhaps some instructions and a deadline to get that video to you. Or you can go straight to the web dashboard and click on Create Video Plan. From here, a dialog will open up where you can start filling out a video plan. First step here is to select the video category. So we've brought in all the main elements from the flywheel for your video categories. So let's go ahead and select recruitment. And I see I've got job ad here. On the right hand side, you'll notice when I select job ad, the script template has changed. So I've put in some standard script templates to get you started as a starting point for your script. So we've got it broken down here into the different elements of a script. So the hook, the what's in it for me, and the call to action. Once I'm happy with the category, I can select next. And from here, I can now edit that script and personalize it and make it a bit more relevant to the ad or the script or video that I want created. So I'm just going to change it here. I've got one pre-prepared, so I'll select all of that and I'll paste in the script I've already got prepared here. The other thing I can do is change the title of the script. Once this is saved, it'll show up in the scripts area. So maybe I want to make it very obvious to the person that this is a job ad for CSM. Great, and it's going to say it's from Daniel Aitken. That's me. That way they'll know it's the one that I've sent them. Alright, now I'll go next. From here, the next step, who's the creator? Who is the person I want to film this video? I've got a list here of all the people that are currently configured on my platform. These people have logins. So let me go ahead and select maybe Bowden Pollard. We'll see there that it's changed on the right hand side to say Bowden Pollard will be filming this video. Just for today's example though, I'm going to leave it as me so I can show you the email that is received. Alright, so from here I can add in some additional instructions. Perhaps I want to give them a sense of the timeline, things I want them to keep in mind and really capture in that video. Next stage here is perhaps I know that they've got some availability tomorrow. So maybe I'll set it as tomorrow to film at 1 o'clock. This is optional. I can delete this. And as long as I perhaps give them the deadline and instructions would be my advice on that. Next stage here is who will be editing the video. Now every team has different makeup of skill sets. You might have some people who don't have the ability to edit. Perhaps they can only film. Or in which case you want them to send that video off to someone else for editing. And I can instruct them from here. So I might go, who will be editing this video? Let's say Bowden. Great. Once that's all done, I'll hit Send Video Plan. And that's done. They will receive an email now with tips to help them record their video. So I'll click Done and we'll show you that email. So here it is. Here's that completed video plan that I've received. I've sent it to myself in this instance. So we can see up here I've got that calendar invite. I can add that to my calendar so I can lock in that time frame and I'll get a reminder to film during that time. And I can also see the instructions for the video down here as well and a clear indication of what the script is. So when the person receives the video plan, they'll say, okay, that's the script that they need to find within the dashboard when they are going to film. And then finally, I've got the suggested film and date and time based on that calendar invite that I set, and then an instruction there to send to Bowden to edit the footage. I can also see that we've got some next steps down here to download the app and the login if they're perhaps not overly familiar with this yet, maybe they're a new user. And then it'll have some filming tips here to help them along. And then finally, another instruction here on how to send that footage to Bowden for editing. And that's Video Plan. We really hope this helps you streamline and collaborate more effectively with your colleagues.